Hey everybody, Boone Wyatt with the 323 Concept Furniture Restoration here. Today, I just wanted to do a quick video. This is week 4 of us not having our MacBook Pro, so I'm just trying to do some quick, simple, easy videos for everybody that don't require any editing on our part. That way we can still provide some information, and hopefully that's helpful. But today I just wanted to do a quick video on these lever activators. So if you've got a reclining mechanism, a manual reclining mechanism, chances are you've got a lever activator very similar to this one, and this is just located on either the left side or the right side depending on where your handle pulls at. But once your reclining mechanism is compressed like this, you'll see on the side of your recliner you'll have a handle probably real similar to this one, and when you pull this handle, this cable goes all the way to your lever activator, and when you pull that, it activates and pushes this down. I'm going to remove this because I don't want to show you that way, but when you pull it, it pushes this activator down and pushes your mechanism open like that. So once again, you can do a quick close-up of that so you see it. You're pulling a cable that's attached to your little hole here, and it pushes your activator down onto the top of this, and that activates your mechanism. See that? And always be careful. Don't ever get your hands in the way of these scissor springs. They can really hurt you. But what I wanted to show you is how easily these come off. And there's a couple different styles, but on this one, it's just got one bolt that holds it in there, and then it sort of just latches into the frame. And all you're really going to need for that is a 7/16 inch socket bit. In this case, it may be of different size, but in our case, it's a 7/16 inch socket, and you can do that. You can remove it manually with just a regular ratchet if you have it. But what I like to get is this attachment bit that goes into my impact driver and holds my socket. That way I can use the drill to do it. It just makes it a lot easier. In the case of this scenario, this bolt there's a tap and die directly into the metal frame, which basically just means they drilled some threads into the metal frame, so when this bolt goes in, there's no necessity for a nut on the backside. A lot of the ones I see have a nut on the backside, and those are a little bit trickier to put in and take out. Not necessarily to take out, but to put in, because you have to position that nut perfectly and hand thread it to get it in there. But this will give you an idea, just to take it out, you just loosen that. Once you get the bolt out, this comes loose and it just slides out of the frame. You see it's got this little piece right here that just slid up into that area, and you align it to your bolt hole there, and then you can start it by hand and just tighten it up. There you go. It's pretty easy. There's a couple different styles of these. Sometimes, I think I did another video that shows you, but sometimes they'll have like a plastic bushing that goes into the middle. And if you have any questions on those, let us know. Or you might search our other video. I'll leave a description right above. Well, I can't do it on this one because I'm not doing that video edits. Actually, I can. So I'll put a video description when I post the video on YouTube. I'll put a video right where I'm pointing, and it'll be a video that I think goes into detail of the other type of lever activator and how they go together. I think I did a video on that. If I did, I'll post it, so that way y'all can find it. But other than that, that's pretty much how these come off and go back on. If you got any questions, let us know. As always, it really helps us out if y'all subscribe to the page and hit that notification bell. That way you receive updates on future videos. And it also really helps us out, just bumps us up in that YouTube algorithm if y'all like the video. And also if you share it with friends who you think might benefit from the video as well. So thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.